You're standing in the checkout line, card in hand, ready to swipe. But wait, a pang of doubt hits you. Is this thing a debit or credit card? You glance at the plastic rectangle, hoping for a clear answer. Sound familiar? Well, if you've ever found yourself staring blankly at your Koho card, wondering the same thing, you are not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the Koho conundrum. Is it a debit card? A credit card? Or something entirely different? Let's find out. Before we label Koho, let's quickly recap the basics of debit and credit cards. A debit card is like your direct line to your checking account. You spend your own money, and the funds are deducted instantly. On the flip side, a credit card is like a short-term loan. You borrow money from the issuer, enjoy the purchase, and then pay it back later, usually with interest. Simple, right? Now, here's where Koho gets interesting. It's often described as a hybrid, a blend of both worlds. But is that accurate? Let's break it down. Koho, a deeper dive. Koho primarily operates as a reloadable prepaid debit card. It's linked to your bank account, and when you make a purchase, the money comes directly from your funds. So far, so debit, right? However, there's a twist. Koho also offers a MasterCard, which is typically associated with credit cards. But don't let that fool you. While it looks like a credit card, it functions like a debit card. Every transaction is deducted from your available balance, just like a regular debit card. So, in essence, Koho is a debit card with a MasterCard logo. Koho's unique features. Now, you might be wondering, why the MasterCard logo if it's a debit card? Well, that's where Koho's clever features come into play. The MasterCard network offers a wide range of benefits and protections, such as purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel insurance. These are perks typically associated with credit cards, but Koho manages to bring them to the debit card world. But wait, there's more. Koho also offers additional financial tools like savings accounts, roundup features, and even credit building options. These features expand Koho's functionality beyond a simple debit card, making it a more comprehensive financial management tool. To sum it up, Koho is essentially a debit card with a MasterCard branding. It operates on a debit card system, using your own money for purchases. However, it offers credit card-like benefits and additional financial features, making it a unique and versatile financial tool. Now, let's address some common questions about Koho. Question 1. Can I use Koho to build credit? Question 2. Is Koho safe to use for online shopping? Question 3. What are the fees associated with Koho? So, there you have it. Koho is a debit card with a twist. It's a financial tool that combines the convenience of a debit card with the benefits of a credit card, while also offering additional features to help you manage your money. It's important to remember that while Koho offers credit building options, it doesn't directly impact your credit score like a traditional credit card would. However, it can be a helpful step towards improving your financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.